Hello everyone, this is my presentation video for my Psychology 1 final project, and the topic of the presentation is how the perfumes can make effect to people's emotions. And now, these words comes from the novel named The Picture of Dorian Gray. It was written by Oscar Wilde, and this paragraph describes how fascinating it was when people get different feelings from different kind of odors. And so, as we can see, it's a pretty common sense to get emotion from smell. And well, actually, I'm doing this topic because when I was pretty young in high school, and one day I was attending to a class party and I used one of my mom's perfume. I didn't feel anything strange myself at the time, but my mom told me that the the odor is a little bit too old for me, so it confused me a lot. Why a kind of smile can describe to be old, and generally speaking, why the perfumes can be divided into men and women's, and young and old, active or gentle. And also for perfumes, people divided them into different styles according to different feelings that they bring to people, and this was called olfactive families. And this is a modern category of the olfactive families, and the perfumes are divided into 6 styles. And this one, bright floral, as most of the people say, it was regarded like pretty beautiful and softly and suitable for women's. And here, on the other hand, the seizures are usually considered to be clear and active and more man-like. And fruity is always seem to be pretty young and lovely and sweet like this. So in that case, according to the feature of perfumes, I've got 2 possible explanations for the problem. And first of all, there might be some ingredients in the perfumes that can make effects on people's physical activities. In that case, people can have different feelings when they smell different odors. And secondly, the odors of different perfumes can somehow remind people of their old memories and experiences, so they can feel differently when they smell different smells. And for the first possibility, I used one popular material in perfume making as the example. This is a plant material and was unusually called lily in the valley by most of the people. And it contains a chemical ingredient called cardiac glycoside. And as we can see, this chemical is actually a toxic, even deadly, and work for people's muscles and neural system. However, according to the medical research, there's some part of this ingredient can help people to calm down and promote sleeping. And it is interesting to hear that the smell of these plants was regarded as pretty relaxing and pleasant. So it seems that there are some of the connection between this chemical and the feelings that the flower can bring to people. And even though there is not clear evidence showing that chemicals in raw materials can make effects on perfumes odors, and actually they are clearly influences people's minds and actually to work to people's feelings and make them feel differently. And next, about the second explanation, I actually had a simple experiences about it. About some time ago, I got a sample of a women's perfume. I didn't really cannot quite recall it, but I think it's a Miss Dale's Cher. And these perfumes, I remember, is usually considered to be lovely, sweet, and girlish, and remind people of some cute, sugary things I got, whatever. And then I asked some of my friends to describe their own feelings about this perfume without telling the name of it. And actually, most of my friends got a similar feeling, which are women like, young and sweet, and well suitable for little girls, and make people feel pleasant. And well, the problem is that there were some people that have got different feelings, and one of them said the odor was actually likely to be a office lady thing, and well, you see, it seems to be more strict and more old and older for her. And another people, well, that's interesting. Another people said that the odor reminded him of his girlfriend, and the reason why he said that is that once he felt a similar smell that was on her. So as we can see, it is possible that the perfume's odor are also influenced by people's own experiences, especially when the memories are pretty clear and vivid. So in that case, I think that the odor of perfumes are working on people both physically and psychologically. Use their mind and feelings to use their mind and memories to get different feelings. Well, and actually, this topic is a pretty big one and pretty complicated. Contains something chemical and medical. So I'm just making it clearly. And so thanks for watching.